Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're taking a look at an absolutely stunning, extremely rare and really well put together GSX-R400. Super rare. It's the dual headlight, or headlamp I should say, model, which is the one everyone is after. Super rare and in the best colours that this Suzuki came in, the red, white and black. And it's also got the desirable exhaust, which you'll see, but we'll go over in condition wise. Bike is immaculate. All the plastics are pure, really immaculate, in perfect condition. Front tire then is good as well. Front mud guard again, I'll just swipe across there, it's a bit of dirt. Really nice condition. Front fork seals are good, no signs of any oil up the forks. Dual headlamps, you'll see the missing indicators here, we're just in the process of getting them. Right hand side of the plastics then, absolutely mint, perfect condition, really nice. Right hand side of the tank then, absolutely mint, no marks at all, no dents, anything like that. All really good. Only 29,000 kilometers on the clock as well. 2 keys with it. Really nice up around here. Slight little tear in the hand grips, but that's nothing major. Right hand side then, all really nice. Engine area is good too. Again, like I said, the desirable GSX-R400 exhaust plate, which is very rare, very hard to find, and matching with the color scheme of the bike. Right hand side of the plastics here, also in brilliant condition. Seat is in immaculate condition, no rips or tears. Right hand side indicators original, as well as the rear light here. It says 1990 here, but there's a mix up at the registration office. There was meant to be, they were looking at a different bike of ours when they registered this, so it's not actually 1984, which is correct. Brand new rear tire at the back, so we'll have an 84 plate to go on soon enough. Right hand side or rear of the bike then, plastics in really nice condition. Helmet lock, or seat lock I should say, all that really good. Left hand side of the tank here, really nice condition. All the metals down the bottom, really good. Left hand side front fairings, again immaculate condition, no scrapes or anything like that, or dents or anything in the plastics at all. So that's it for the very desirable and sought after GSX-R400. Well, now moved on to the ride along video.
Okay, we're on to the GSX-R400 four-cylinder 400cc 1984 bike, twin headlamp edition. It has just had a full kind of recommissioning, getting it back up onto the road. Really nice, as you see the missing indicators, but like we said in the visual analysis, that's all we can do. We're waiting on the part to come in, but we just still need to get it up before the end of the year. This bike, really nice, running really well, as you'll see as we go through here. Really good. Really nice, smooth 4-cylinder as usual. Super rare bike. Really difficult to get a hold of. Right indicator there working, as you can see. I'll just show you, as you can see there. And we come into the left here. Really nice power, I think, on these bikes. Really nice bike. The 400, 250s, all of these is what I'm interested in, and it's the desirable twin headlamp edition, I should say, which is the one everyone wants and the one that is collectible rather than the others. The others aren't quite as collectible. They're kind of not seen as quite the classics when they don't have they have the kind of like went to like a bubble headlamp at the front, like the Kawasaki's. Kind of ZXR250s and ZXR400s with the twin headlamps are worth a hell of a lot more than the ones with the bubble headlights. It's just the way things are. People like the classic look of the twin headlamps, and it's kind of the first edition of the bikes. They were very limited, these twin headlamps bikes, so it's what people look for. Well, that's it. Really nice. So let me just check the left indicator there. You can see working as well. Running and driving really smoothly, going through all the gears. Absolutely stunning looking bike. It's actually not as lent over as you think of as you would think an R series bike would be, but still really attractive to drive and put into corners. As I said, I'm a bit of a aficionado for these 4-cylinder small capacity bikes, 400 and down. They're my cup of tea. That's what I enjoy. I have a 250 GSX-R, and I just sold a CBR 250 double R as well, an MC19, which is a single R really when if you really get into the nitty and gritty about it. I just think they're the best, you know, especially when you're on like an A2 license or like a bit younger. They're really the best looking, nicest sounding. They sound like a real bike but smaller. All the technology is there. Really nice bike. Okay, and we will go into neutral here, and the neutral light is working. I'll put on the side stand here. We'll put on a left indicator, as you can see, working there, and the right indicator there also working. Rear lights are on, so the rear light is on. Sorry, I just cancelled that. Brake light is also working, as you can see there. We have our twin front headlamps which are working as well. Really nice little bike, superb running little thing. And with the desirable GSX-R matching exhaust with the proper paint scheme, I think you can't really go wrong. Here we are, and ready, steady, cook. That's it for the thumbnail anyway. I think this is probably the last one of the day, to be honest. Just not enough light in it, unfortunately. It goes dark here at about 4 o'clock. You just can't get anything done. Really annoying. That's about it. That's the GSX-R400R. Really beautiful, stunning bike. So hard to get, especially in this type of condition, as well as running condition. I mean, the little things like getting the indicators, it's not a big deal. We'll have them on the way. You can view the bike anyway. The 2 indicators are working, all the electrics working, starting, running, driving, idling, doing everything it needs to do. Clutch is working, braking, stopping, everything like that. If I didn't make a mess of it starting it. But if you have liked the video, please do leave a like. Also comment down below what you think the 400R, as well as what should I say, subscribe if you haven't already. That'd be really greatly appreciated. As well as that, our social medias are at Retro Bikes Dublin for our Instagram and Facebook, as well as our official website being www.retrobikesdublin.com. So that's been it for the GSX-R400 from Retro Bikes Dublin. Thanks for watching.